With Oracle Banking Virtual Account Management, corporates who want to hold multiple bank accounts across locations can create any number of virtual accounts that can be backed by a few real centralized accounts. Corporate with multiple dealers and suppliers can assign a single virtual account to each of them for payer and receiver identification, hence enabling higher reconciliation rate. Varying from traditional approach of the bank setting up and administrating numerous physical bank ledger accounts, OBVAM offers the corporate to create, control, and manage any number of virtual accounts for them or their clients. The corporate can customize the virtual account numbers and allocate different numbers to their clients for easy identification through the virtual account number. For example, a mobile service provider company can advise their customer to pay the bills to a customer specific virtual account. The customer specific virtual account may contain the mobile number or can be the mobile number itself. When the payments are done through the virtual account numbers, the real account of the mobile service provider is credited. At the same time, the mobile service provider will have the details of the customer who have made the payment, thus making it easy for the company to reconcile the dues with payment received. Now we will see the benefits of OBVAM. So OBVAM application provides service for the customer of financial institutes. This service helps the corporate clients to manage and control multiple virtual accounts with different currencies. These virtual accounts can be used to manage and track high transaction volume towards the master bank account. The corporate customers can open and close their virtual account without any intervention from the banks. So OBVAM allows us to create customized virtual account numbers and structures irrespective of regions with multiple currencies. Create configurable virtual CIF and IBAN mask at bank and branch level for real CIF and IBAN. Link multiple virtual account structures to a single SASA. Debit and credit transactions for virtual accounts with shadow accounting. Track the balance and transfer the balance amount between the virtual accounts. Amount block support for virtual account and structure. Set up negative balance limits for virtual accounts. Generate the transaction statements for virtual account transactions. So these are some of the benefits which are coming with OBVAM, and we can explore further, going deep into these benefits. So after the benefits, we'll take a look over the key features of OBVAM. So this is like a standalone architecture which requires very little change to banks' existing core IT systems. It is easy to launch and the time to deployment is also very less. Capability to interface with any of the corporate ERPs, and it is highly configurable based on specific corporate needs. So these are the features and benefits of OBVAM. Next we are going to see the architect of the OBVAM. So on the left hand side you would see DDA and product processes. Under DDA we have real customer accounts, real transactions, real balances, real interest and charges, real statements. So all those are being covered. And if you see in the middle, we have virtual accounts, which are having all the structures which are related to virtual accounts. We have virtual identifiers. So all the arrows shows the communication between these blocks. We on the top of this, we have a VAM self-service portal through which we can administrate, manage, and look at the statements. And in the below, we have liquidity management, where we can work on the redistribution and targeting balancing. Apart from, so this is the basic architect of OBVAM. So we also have a dashboard in OBVAM. The dashboard is an information tool that visualizes, tracks, analyzes, and display key data points to monitor the health of the application. And it includes transaction status, rejection reason, pending transactions, pending maintenance. So all those dashboards are there in the tool. So which helps us like in visualization of all the data, all the transactions. There is a feature of forget customer for entity. You can configure the forget customer for entity feature. It includes like forget entity maintenance and so how to add forget entity. So those are also been included. So these are some of the features related to Oracle Banking Virtual Account Management. And so you can refer Oracle services. Thank you, everyone.